What's up, guys? So I'm back with another build. I'm actually doing this build for a buddy. He's been super busy and we want to get monster trucking again. I already built one of these, so it's pretty easy, except he has a couple little hop-ups on it that I didn't do on mine. So it'd be kind of cool if I had noticed mine. But it's a Axial SMT10. So it's the builder's kit, so it comes in, a million pieces. It doesn't come with a body, it doesn't come with tires, all the stuff like that, so you gotta kind of customize it. Of course, it's a big old instruction manual. And I think this is all the hop-up parts. So, he's adding Proline shocks. All you have to do is add oil to those. He's got beef tubes, beefed up. We know the axles aren't always the strongest in the whole world. And some, we have the front seat hubs and rear knuckles, looks like. On some metal covers and some metal drive shafts, GPM drive shafts. Oh, it's the rear sway bar. So adding the second, so technically the front sway bar. We're adding the other sway bar. And we're running here some low C. I don't even know remember what number it is. Wait, that's the blue one. And we have a hobby wing setup here. We got the Easy Run Max 10 and a 3652. Got your basic servo. And I believe there is a receiver somewhere in here also. Floating around. Somewhere around there. Could be in the bottom of this. Oh, here it is. And it's your basic Spectrum receiver. So it's like just a 2-channel. But yeah, so building this bad boy for him. He didn't give me any wheels and tires, so we might not get to drive this because I don't have even any for mine. I have paddle tires on it right now. But yeah, so I'll be doing a little time lapse of the main part of the build, and then I'll do a little talking of how to install the beef tubes and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how hard these are. I don't have these in mind, and I could use a little extra strength, but I do some dumb stuff. So yeah, so check it out. Hope you enjoy. forgot to do a little closer video of the beef tubes, but pretty much they slide directly in. You have to make sure and line up the holes in the tubes with the original bolts here for like the lower arms and the sway bar and stuff, so that kind of holds them in place there. And also the top bolts on the knuckle here, those lock in also. So other than that, it's pretty simple to slap them in there. It's the same thing on both sides. One side's longer, obviously you can see the different sizes in the axle there. So the long one goes on this side, short one on this side. You just match the holes. You kind of guide it in there and twist it, shimmy a little bit, and you're all good. On this one, he went with the Pro Line shocks. They don't come with oil, so make sure you get oil if you purchase these. Just slap that in there and you're good to go. He did the aluminum hubs here. Did some extended hexes here, get a little wider stance. I slapped the electronics in for him, but he's still got to bind his controller. I haven't really tested that out yet. Motor's in. He did some metal drive shafts here. I'm pretty sure he's going to be womping on this bad boy. We added the extra sway bar, so it comes with one, and you can just add the other one. Pretty much matches up the exact same way. All the mounting stuff is there. Just gonna set it all in there. Other than that, I think it's all the same as normal. He did the hobby wing setup. I'm interested to see how that is. I have the different setup in mind. Yeah, other than that, I haven't tested it yet because it does have a Traxxas plug on there. I don't have that. So yeah, I'll do a little closer up video on it right now, and hopefully we'll get to go out with Junks and walk this thing around.